If you were hoping the market's upward climb would continue unchecked, yesterday's inflation news might have felt like a splash of cold water. Welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, and today, on this beautiful Valentine's Day, we're unpacking a day that left investors reaching for their umbrellas as stocks took a tumble from recent sunny highs. So, here's the scoop. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Standard & Poor's 500 both felt the chill, each sliding down about 1.4%, while the Nasdaq Composite, always a bit more sensitive to changes in the weather, led the pack with a 1.8% decline. It seems the market's attempt to keep its historic rally was met with a bit of resistance. Now, let's dive into the eye of yesterday's storm, the January Consumer Price Index report. While we've been eagerly watching that inflation thermometer, hoping for cooler readings, the core prices decided to turn up the heat instead, marking their largest monthly gain since April last year. Headline prices did slow down a tad to a 3.1% annual gain, but it was still enough to send a shiver through the markets. And in other news, Bitcoin flirted with the $50,000 mark for the first time since the halcyon days of 2021, sparking whispers of a comeback. It's a reminder that even on a cloudy day, there can be a silver lining. Yesterday was also a big day, as the monthly fund manager survey from Bank of America came out, and they showed a very bullish sentiment. I made an entire episode on that subject yesterday. You should definitely go check it out. Well, folks, as we brace for what's next, remember that the market, much like the weather, is always changing. Will the Fed bring an umbrella to shelter us from inflation's drizzle, or are we in for more stormy weather? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. We'll be here to help you make sense of it all. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'll catch you all tomorrow with a brand new episode.